Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another binary option trading, price action trading, binary option strategy video where I'm going to show you how to trade those kind of trades which I am doing here based on those concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So that is the introduction to the ebook, and now we are getting immediately into the explanation of those trades which I have already done, and I'm going to show you which kind of concepts you should apply, which kind of concepts of the ebook you should apply to your trading style. So, and which you have to cover over and over again. So, okay, here we are. Okay, that was the ebook, sorry. So let me see, this is the video here, and you see I have already done a trade here. On the beginning there was already the introduction to the ebook, yes, and then I got here a drop with the first trade, yes, because we got here a strong downtrend. Next, strong downtrend, then we got here into a consolidation area. This candle didn't unfold like it should unfold. I can show you this after this, yes, because this is an inverted bullish hammer at the end of a trend, and that is in general reversal signal, yes, but because we are here in a consolidation area, yes, and that got yes, this didn't work out, yes, and then we try price, or this trend tries to break through this 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and that was already yes, what can I say, it was able to do this, yes. I entered immediately on the next candle. Here we have a nice double top, yes, and here we broke the neckline. I can show you this also. Then we have here almost ranging market, yes. On the higher time frame we have ranging, yes, but on the lower time frame we have here a minor downtrend. You see here also the 20 EMA is crossing the 50 EMA, and those concepts which should be important for you would be a part of this. Yes, like always, those one which are the most important over and over again, because we are using those kind of indicators. Yes, let me show you this. Yes, important is this one here about the like always about the yes, about the Bollinger Band, yes, about the exponential moving average, yes, the EMAs, and then over also those kind of concepts which I have explained here about the trending market and the ranging market here, that one here. These are the standard concepts, yes. This one here about the market consolidation area. You see here we have the same consolidation area on higher time frame. We got here yes, a ranging market, yes, which is mostly a doji. And if you get this here, yes, you see this also. This what's happened here is nothing else than a doji, yes. Opening price and closing price at the same level, yes. And in the end, if you are drawing here this kind of candlestick math, which I have explained also in the ebook, we have here this kind of doji here, yes, and this doji is a dragonfly, a gravestone doji, yes, and at key level, yes, after a long downtrend, yes, so you can understand what will happen next, yes. In this case, it would be most probably a reversal, because this didn't unfold, yes, and at the end it will most probably going up, because we are here now into a ranging area between, or consolidation area between the 50 EMA and the 100, with the probability that at any point price could break out through this, yes, but the market is still ranging, yes. You see this also on this kind of flat EMAs here. It's almost flat. We changed now from a strong uptrend into a downtrend. Yes, here we have this kind of double top. So let me show you those things here fast. So we have this kind of consolidation stuff. Then obviously, yes, here the candlestick math stuff, which would be always important to know. Yes, that is really important, because you see how you can apply candlestick math to this. Yes, and then obviously the double top, which I have explained here, which will come over and over again. Yes, and all those kind of candlestick patterns which will come next. So let me see here, this double top here. Yes, we have a double top. This is this one, because I see almost often traders who are able to recognize first top, second top neckline here. This kind of candle showed a rejection from this neckline, and then you can go into a downtrend. Yes, and then will at some kind of EMA or at any kind of support and resistance level, there will happen that kind of pullback to the neckline again here, to this level. Yes, that is a 1.1350. So okay, so I will do here the fast forward to explain you. Okay, we got here. Okay, so you see, we got here into a trade, yes, of the Morningstar, yes, price moved up, got again a rejection, but because we have here already this pre-long downtrend, yes, and this candle didn't work out, and then we got here this candle, you can expect now, because this is nothing like a Gravestone Doji, that price will go up, because we are here in a consolidation area between the 100 and the 50 EMA. Also, if the 20 EMA is pointing down, we have here some kind of ranging market. So, and let me see. Yes, I want to show you this, the Morningstar on the ebook. So that is this one here. Let me see if I can find it immediately. So I can show you this. Yes, here we have some inside bar. Yes, here we have, okay, I have to search it because I cannot find it. So let me see, Morningstar. Yeah, right. So where do we have it? Morningstar, here you see this. Yes, here we have, you see we're coming down, then we got here some kind, and you see it could look also like this here with a small candle in between, or here like this, 3 candles, yes, 3 dojis and so on. And in this case it was here 1 doji. This is opening price, closing price. If you get this, you get this here, what I have explained here. You do here candlestick math on those two, and then you get exactly that what I have explained in the ebook. Yes, here this was opening and closing price. You get here bearish candle, doji uptrend. Yes, that is what it is about. So let me see, and I will show you this here, doji uptrend. Yes, without this kind one, but you can see there are so many different versions of this kind of Morningstar. It can be also 5 or 6 candles. Yes, that is no difference, and that is what I have explained here in the ebook. So okay, I will do fast forward to not lose time, because I have done here a lot of trades. So after this we get here, let me see what's happening. I will do play, and as soon I enter into a trade, I will stop the video and explain exactly why I took this trade and what kind of concepts you should consider. So after this Morningstar, there should come up another green candle. Yes, the probability after Morningstar that the trend will continue, or the evening star that the trend will continue, are about 75%. Yes, that is what if you see this kind of Morningstar, the next candle will mostly continue the trend. Yes, if it will not always happen, yes, but 75%. So I'm changing here in on the lower time frame to understand if we have low volume market. So, and you see the price is continuing, yes, but it's not continuing like I would expect in this case, yes, because there should be some kind of support and resistance area. This candle can be validated. Okay, I enter here into a put. Let me stop the video because I will have to explain something. So this candle can be validated as a doji. Yes, this is like a doji. So, and if you get after a Morningstar such kind of weak candle, this kind of small candle, that is a sign that there will most probably getting a reversal happening, yes, overall, because we got here those kind of strong downtrend. We have here a strong downtrend, price is pushing against the 100 EMA, yes, and then you get a morning star, which is already really nice, yes, and after this morning star you get this kind of weak candle, then you can expect that there will be a reversal. If there would have been a wick above, it would be much better, yes, but in this case it was also clear because tiny candles are to treat like dojis, yes, that means here something like this here. This is also not a hammer, this is more like a doji, yes, because it's the tiny candles are like dojis, and you cannot push or not interpret, not trying to understand those kind of candles. That candlesticks has to be treated like the indecision candles, yes, because they are tiny, they are not telling anything, yes. And after a morning star, an indecision candle, yes, means mostly if it would be a bearish one, yes, if this would be a bearish one, I would have entered maybe into a continuation. But in this case, because this was a bullish one, but a tiny bullish one, I entered into a put, yes, because we have a major downtrend here on this ranging, major ranging market in this minor downtrend, yes. And you see this after this kind of long downtrend, there should be coming up some kind of retracement, yes, and that is so we are doing here nothing else than the evening star, and here we have strong trend, yes, which I have explained also in the ebook, yes. So evening star, yes, in all kind of forms, more maybe not an evening doji star, but something similar to this, yes. And then obviously what's also important is the kind of strong trend which I have explained here. As you see here, bearish weak candle, bearish weak candle, bearish weak candle, yes, that is a strong downtrend. And you see here bearish, 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 weak candle, bearish, 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 weak candle, yes, and that is what I have explained as a strong downtrend in the ebook too, yes. You see all those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook are to apply into your live trading, yes. That is important. Yes, you cannot do this only on those kind of few things. You have to understand all those kind of concepts one per one to understand this. So here we have this also evening star, morning star. You see, if it will be a weak candle and the weak candle has a wick form below, yes, and it was the weak candle is a bearish one, then you can to expect that it continues. If you get a weak bullish candle like this one, yes, you can expect that this will reverse. Maybe I will do another deep explanation video about this when I have the time. So okay, I will do here fast forward because I have to explain some more trades here. There are so many. So we are creating here an evening star. Obviously you see here is also to apply those kind of concepts which I have explained about the support and resistance level. You see how many concepts I have to mention here over and over again, yes, by every kind of trade, yes, and market condition and so on. Let me see where I do have this concept about the support and resistance, yes, the major support and resistance and the minor support and resistance, which are really important too, yes. Let me see where I have this. Yes, it was here, this Fibonacci level stuff, and yes, here it was this one here, yes, major support and resistance, and minor support and resistance, and that is valid for Fibonacci levels, EMAs, trend lines, and every kind of support and resistance, yes. And you see here how it's defined. Watch this video if you do not understand this concept, because you need this on each and every trade, yes, because it's important. So okay, then we have here an evening star, and I told you the trend continuation after an evening star is mostly 75%. And if we have price action on the left, what does price action on the left? I mean, I get this information or this question often. That means on the same level where you try to enter into the trade, there were already candlesticks, and more candlesticks there are, closer they are to your to the current price line, yes, to the current price, better it is. And you see then this evening star worked out. It got a nice huge victory candle, yes, in direction of the Yes, because this evening star has the power to break through this kind of 100 EMA. So I'm zooming out to understand the market condition, to get the big picture. So, and then after this, yes, I will do fast forward. So let's see what's happening. So, and then we are getting here that kind of bearish hammer, which is also a trend continuation pattern, which I have explained here. Let me show you this. So you get here, yes, you get here evening star. Yes, I have explained this over and over again. This is an engulfing candle, but this engulfing candle is also only a representative for those kind of patterns, like the pin bar, hanging man. Yes, evening star, all those kind of patterns. And when you, if you get this kind of hammer, bearish hammer, yes, you know it's a trend continuation. Yes, that is what I showed you here. How to spot highest probability trading setups and high probability techniques. Yes, that is what I mean. Yes, you get an evening star in a major downtrend or in a downtrend here now. Yes, now we are in a major downtrend because we are here between the 1 deviation and the 2 deviation, 1 deviation, 2 deviation, and that means we are in a strong trend. And we are, and this kind of candle is a sign that price will continue to going down because it's a bearish hammer, like I have explained in the ebook. So, and then we got down, and what happens then? Then happens a gravestone doji. Again, yes, and this gravestone doji, yes, was only a retracement, and that's the reason why I entered here into a put, because we are below the 100 EMA, we are in a consolidation area. Here I have to refer again to those kind of video about the EMAs, how to understand what the EMAs are telling you, yes, and obviously the candlestick pattern, the gravestone doji candlestick pattern, where I have explained that this was only a retracement of this complete downtrend. Yes, if you get this kind of weak candle after this kind of strong bearish candle, yes, you can understand mostly because the upper wick is longer than the lower wick that I have explained in the progression of the candlesticks. Yes, and what this means. Watch this video too and try to find this page in the ebook, and then you get this kind of continuation trade. And after this, I would do most probably a call because this candle is too weak. Yes, I would expect something else. We got already touched the Bollinger Band, and we have a ranging market here, something what looks like a ranging market. So I would do a call on the next candle because this candle didn't unfold like I would expect. It's the elimination of the process of elimination, the method of elimination. If this doesn't unfold like expect, then you have to change the direction. Yes, and then you have to overthought your prediction. So okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.